Hi everyone, I hope you're doing fine. In this video, I thought I'd give you 5 tips for finding inspiration for your artworks. So the first tip would be to create every day. Spend at least 15 minutes every day scribbling something on a piece of paper or even working on a particular technique. After a while, this habit will be very difficult to break. You'll slowly start looking forward to the time you're keeping aside for making art, and you'll also have more ideas. The second tip would be to make a list. Some of the examples could be things that made me happy today or things I'm grateful for, or another list would be quiet moments from today. Journaling can be a very good catalyst for creating artworks. The third tip would be to not be afraid of making mistakes. There's this quote that I really like, and it goes like this: creativity is stifled when a person approaches any creative endeavor with a fear of doing something wrong. Options are removed and possibilities are taken away. There have been times when I felt too intimidated by the fear of ruining a piece of art to allow myself to move on, though I knew that artwork was incomplete. This fear can sometimes hold me back from pushing my creative boundaries and stepping outside my comfort zone, which in turn can keep me from taking my art to the next level. Art is all about risk. Creativity should not be bound. Once you embrace mistakes, the door swings open and the possibilities are endless. The fourth tip is to not always rely on the internet for finding inspiration. This is one of the mistakes that I make a lot. Searching for ideas on the web is great when you feel a lack of motivation, but rest of the times try putting down your own ideas and thoughts and use them as fodder for your artworks. The fifth tip is to be inspired by what you love. There's another quote that I really like, and it goes like this: find one thing a day that really captures your attention. Try to pick something you love, something that touches your heart and piques your curiosity. Do a quick sketch, and if you have more time, develop it fully. I almost guarantee you will feel that you truly lived during that period of time. You will remember just that moment, however brief or long. Render what you choose however you like. Collage it, write it down, and use it as a prompt for an art journal page, or stitch it. By starting with something you already enjoy, you're more apt to be inspired by it. I hope you find these 5 tips useful. If you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.